Come test drive the 2016 200. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.